Yo, what's good, y'all? Watching Simon guess the sound. I'm gonna be guessing along with them, and we're gonna see how good we can do. So, hopefully we do good. I think I should be pretty good at this. And if you like the video, like and sub up, please. Let's get into it.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Guess the Sound.
Yes, get your ears on.
This
baby.
is going to be played in 2 teams of 3.
Okay.
Oh.
Harry, Ethan, JJ.
Okay.
You are a team.
Okay, nice.
You are a team. Now I'm going to play a sound, but you're going to nominate one person from your
is
team
that
to play
Fennekin?
each round.
Simpsons?
And it is the first person.
But Vic loves group sports, man.
Group
Vic's into
sports.
group stuff.
Please,
Okay,
man.
really?
I'll do first one.
First round, it's JJ versus.
Who? Oh, let's go Vic Star.
Why me?
Big
Musician
star.
off.
If I hear anyone else
Musician.
saying what it is, you lose a point.
Well, you can't hear me.
Serious business that is. Do we have to buzz in?
Cool, we'll take that one.
Try to save your face.
Wow, around his household.
Yo, what the? Oh, this
That's cool.
is me. Nice.
So, any hesitation, and I mean any, I will pass it over.
Wow.
Yeah, if you hit the buzzer, you go.
If you go,
Away. Yeah,
Hesitation.
facts.
This is
Yeah.
the big
even
Okay,
if you say
well.
the answer. Ready?
Wow, okay.
3, 2, 1.
Oh wait, Among Us kill.
Among Us Death.
Yes.
That's all I do.
I'll
I just
take
pause the
that.
video.
I
Well
didn't
done,
know what it was.
Well
Come on,
done.
Buzz.
You didn't get that.
Yeah.
Okay.
The thing is, like, when you're under pressure, it's harder.
Yeah, you're quite acoustically tuned.
Thank you.
Should we
Wanna
go
go
keep
next?
it
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
just
pass it down.
Okay. Harry versus Josh.
So's he. True.
What is this sound?
Twitter notification, right? X, Twitter, right?
Oh, fuck.
I know what it is when I click it because I actually don't know what it is. You know what I mean?
Oh, I obviously know. I know the
Can
sound.
you
Why
play
did
it again
take
so
so
my brain
long?
can-
How did they not know this?
Fuck.
Who's gonna get it?
I know the sound. Like, obviously, I know that sound.
Whereas
Like,
it's
where
obviously
where's it
it's on your
from?
TV.
Is
Yeah, it's
it?
on your
Wait,
TV.
is it?
Is
Is this?
Pissing me the fuck off, bro.
thing is, I have like,
No,
no
I'm not
sounds on my
sure.
phone on, so I don't know, which one is it?
Is it an iMessage?
No. So I'm gonna let you have a guess.
That's not bad though.
I got a WhatsApp message.
No.
What's that?
Can I throw a late guess? Not that it counts.
What is it?
I'm gonna have to take 0 points there.
Yeah.
Do you know what it is?
Is it when you plug your phone in? Or
No.
What?
It's just a notification message.
No.
What is
Oh,
it? I thought it was WhatsApp.
Twitter X.
Name
right?
WhatsApp.
Is it? I've got a tweet. It's I've airdropped.
Contactless. Is it
I've
oh, contactless.
Apple Pay.
Oh,
what?
Like never used that though.
Apple Pay.
Oh, it is Apple Pay. It is Apple Pay. I thought that was a Twitter
I
thing.
would have given the point to someone else, but I thought you all knew it, except these two.
No, like I just have silent.
I thought it
always.
was WhatsApp.
I roll silent.
All right, Ethan versus Toby.
Oh, it is.
Let's get a point, Toby. Let's get a point.
What is this?
That is cereal going into a bowl.
It's
Oh,
cereal
I
going
was
into a
gonna
bowl.
say cereal. Oh, that's cereal.
Oh, what a surprise! Ethan wins.
Sure. The guy wanted a bar for the cereal.
Would you have got that?
I got it, yeah.
Oh, shit.
I pressed it a little bit after.
Honestly,
Yeah, well,
I thought it was the jackpot, and
Yeah, I
Sounded
know.
like at first.
I was stuck on like phones and stuff, dude. I wasn't thinking like we're doing food and sounds like that.
I thought it was like gravel or money.
Yeah.
And then there was
Lock in.
one little
There was
ding.
one little ding in
One
there.
little
Yeah,
ding
yeah,
that sounded
yeah,
like
yeah.
cereal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought it was
Oh, I was gonna say that.
electronic sound.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay.
I
It's
didn't think we're
currently
doing food and
2-0.
stuff.
Back to the beginning. You can change the order if you'd like.
let's acoustically true now, so come on.
No, we'll still with this.
Okay.
tuned, bro. Don't
What is this?
Can opening.
Wrong.
Easter egg opening?
I'll play it again.
Yeah.
Might get another go if
Play-Doh?
you can't
Opening
guess.
Play-Doh?
I don't know. I've no idea.
If I have
Opening a
another
can?
guess, I'll allow
Can
it.
of soda?
Oh, is it me?
It's not you, Ethan. Maybe you're
Can I hear it again?
Cool.
Last time.
One more time.
No.
That doesn't help.
Okay, I'm gonna have to say 0 points for
Did
this
anyone
as
know?
well.
I'm crunching like a quaver.
Is it an egg crack and then?
Oh, it's an egg.
He knows what food sounds like.
Oh my.
I had no idea.
Okay, Josh
does he know
versus
this?
Harry. Still 2-0. What is this?
Chug jug.
Oh, it's a Fortnite chug jug.
It's a Fortnite chug jug.
yeah.
3-0.
I want to.
You're getting smoked.
I've played that game too many days of my life.
I mean, who doesn't know that
What
shit?
is this?
Fart, shart, shit.
That is like a ketchup bottle being squeezed.
Ketchup ball.
Oh,
Get
okay.
food one.
Yeah,
Can we have like Call of
That's-
Duty certain?
That's like the movie shit though. That's like the soundography or whatever, bro. Like you need a fart or something for a scene. Boom, just ketchup bottle, bro. They got me. You know, this is like there's layers to this, bro. It's not that simple.
Gun sounds. What is this?
That's actually.
Got everything.
I wasn't gonna allow like any other like mayonnaise or anything. I was like, it has to be ketchup.
Damn.
Did anyone else
He's got
have that?
all the
No.
food.
What is wrong with you?
I thought it was on letting rip in the toilet.
Bro,
Oh my
a
god.
I think we
soundologist.
won.
How does he know all these
Yeah, we're
sounds?
Okay, well it's currently
We're
4-0.
a sound designer.
That's round 1 done.
Does she?
So we're moving on to double points round 2.
Bro, I need to get some, bro.
Actually, bad for us.
I got the first.
20-0.
You keep
I
in the
got
same
first
order?
one.
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay.
man.
What is this?
Finger cracking. Right?
Is that when you pop the what are they called? Bubble wrap.
Knuckles.
No.
said
Oh,
Popping
shit.
knuckles.
Thank
Can I
God.
hear it again, please?
Popping your knuckles.
Oh,
Wait,
okay.
no, it's not.
He ain't gonna know.
Very
Zip,
intently.
zip
man.
tie.
Dial.
Play
You
again.
want to have a guess?
Yeah, I'll have one more, please. That's done nothing for him. I think I know what it is.
It's done nothing
I know
for
what
me.
it is as well.
Can I
I know that
yes.
because actually there's quite a lot.
If you don't have a guess?
I'll
I think I
pass,
know
I'll
what it
pass.
is.
Farts.
Great.
Is
Okay.
it?
What is it?
Me and him did it.
Yep. It was
Oh, I knew it, dude. I did say that. I
all
got
right,
points.
0 points there.
I was like, I can't really do that. I can't really do
Points,
this.
I
bit.
got 3 right.
Harry
I got 3.
versus Josh.
Got
What is
one
a point.
We need a point.
this? 2 points.
Minecraft skeleton dying.
Oh, I know this.
It's a skeleton dying in Minecraft.
Well, no.
Yeah.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
I thought it was
No, I got 5.
going
I
into-
got 5
I
points.
heard that at first as
No.
well, though. I did hear that.
Nah.
Where's Minecraft?
If it's not food.
Yeah, no, no.
They could have got that.
But it's been a food every time it's yours, so it's maybe it's like.
I'm doing it legit in order,
Yeah,
by
yeah.
the way. 4-2. What is this?
Microwave.
Just him.
Shot with back. What, whistle?
should have
been
No, you shot with back in the game.
I mean,
Now you've got the guy
I know
who's got
it's
nothing.
No, you got this
I'm
bit.
gonna get
I've
ready,
got
bro. I'm
nothing.
gonna-
I don't think I've known a
It's
single
going to
one.
be a
AA12.
M48-3.
M48.
Ah, motorcycle starting.
A can rolling down a staircase.
Wrong.
Popcorn popping. Oh, that's me. That's me, bro. That's me. That's 7 points.
What the fuck was that?
One more time.
Popcorn. Popcorn popping.
Gonna have to push for an answer. Otherwise, Vic can have one more
Come on,
guess.
this is fresh on my mind. I just went to the movie
don't know.
theaters.
You want another
I
guess?
just went to the movie theaters, bro.
0 points.
Is it
Popcorn.
Popcorn.
a food one?
That's
Thing?
really good. Yeah.
Microwave and popcorn, you know.
I thought it was more
All right.
erratic in my head. Like, that was
That
so
did-
consistent.
That
Josh,
sounded
Harry?
weird, yeah.
Yeah.
Tie game.
Name the sound.
YouTube? Nah, it's black and yellow site.
Fuck!
I think Josh
Fuck,
got
I
it.
hesitated.
All right.
Josh got it.
Oh, it's one of intro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
So I got 7 right.
So I was like, oh shit, where is it? What is it?
No, well done. Smart thing to say.
I for sure knew it. I didn't know where.
All right. 6-4.
Put us back in, Toby.
Last one of round 2. What
Put
is
us
this?
back in.
Bro, how are they so quick? Skype call.
Yeah.
Just again.
You know every single one, bro. It's like milliseconds.
Oh, not every single one.
6-6.
That-
I got
Now,
7.
there are 4 sounds left.
Right.
I'd like you both to place your buzzers on the table.
Oh,
Anyone can buzz in.
Oh, here we go.
Anyone can buzz. You can't be like ready like this.
So hands on, you know,
Hands on your
Like this is close.
yeah, like
Hands on
Oh,
your
fucking
knees.
do it.
Hands on your knees.
All right, there are 4 sounds. All right, first one.
Soda can. Damn, Toby's quick.
Can of Coke.
Soda can opening.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is.
He can do the fucking impression.
Okay.
Ready? To, I'm gonna have my finger on it, bro.
Hesitation.
Tree falling down.
It is a tree falling down.
I was like.
I would have said firework come out before tree falling down.
Yeah, but we buzzed in.
He's
I know, but I mean, like,
was
the
gonna say
answer come out of their
cardboard.
team.
He said hesitate. You buzzed.
Yeah, he
I was
has
gonna say
to.
rip and cardboard.
Yeah.
Oh, does it not switch the other team after they get it wrong?
None of you press the buzzer, so.
No, but I mean, like, if the that's not happening previous round.
I'm just saying.
New round, don't it?
Back.
Next one. You need both of these.
Yeah, fuck.
Dude. Wind, like snowy wind.
Windy day.
Tumbleweed.
Oh, right. Well, GG's, boy. Who said windy day?
Double points.
The last one.
Oh, no.
Worth triple points.
Oh, okay.
So you can get a draw.
Oh, okay.
Whale, whale.
Well, Sam.
Wow. They've done it. They've won.
Wales.
Well done.
Damn, I
Which
think I
means you
got
guys have
like,
won.
I think I got like 10 or something. I mean, I'm basically tied with them.
If you want to see a part 2, let us
Or I
know.
did
Thanks for
better.
watching. Bye.
Toby, that was very impressive.
that
If you'd have
video.
beat me by 2 milliseconds on 2 of them answers, it doesn't even go there.
Dude, I thought they had it. Ethan's team. Damn. Yeah, sub, like, cut. Come on. Man them.